If you're experiencing issues with the installation loop in CS2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for CS2. This includes checking the operating system version, RAM, and available disk space. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable any antivirus software and firewall settings that may be interfering with the installation process. Sometimes, security programs can block necessary files from being installed. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the installation file and select Run as administrator. This grants the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system, which can help avoid installation loops. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Clear your system's temporary files by using the disk cleanup tool or manually deleting files from the temp folder. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that may be causing the installation to loop. Step 5. Re-download the installer. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, consider re-downloading the installation file from a reliable source. A corrupted installer can lead to repeated installation attempts. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and successfully install CS2. If problems persist, consider seeking further technical support.